Fahrgäste, herzlich willkommen im Zug nach
So, where are we going to?
Now we start from Vienna to go to Bad Vöslau, the place where Moreno started officially in 1919. He got a position as a medical doctor in, at that time, a little city, and also in the textile factory, so there were 2 appointments for him waiting, and he did it until he left Austria. So this was his main point in Austria, we could say.
So he was paid by the municipality?
Yes.
And he was therefore doing this way 2 or 3 times a week, or to come to Vienna? How was it?
No, he also got the offer of a house there, because the doctor always, he didn't have to pay for it, so the doctor gets a house to live in and to practice there. So he could stay the whole week in Bad Vöslau, but as he liked to go to Vienna, to the coffee house, and to meet with artists and writers and actors, so mainly on Saturday he took the train, Badener Bahn, to go there.
So how far is it, more or less?
It's around 25 kilometers outside from Vienna to the south.
Okay. Okay, good.
Southwest.